Meet the AEROLUX 2 Comfort. We've taken comfort to the next level with the latest version of our loved AEROLUX model. Enjoy an ergonomic padded backrest, a larger memory foam seat with a waterfall edge, and extra wide plush armrests, designed to provide all-day comfort. Expanding up to 20 inches between the armrests with included spacers, you can customize the chair width for your perfect fit. And with a 3-position adjustable footrest, you stay supported no matter how long you're on the move. Navigate effortlessly indoors, outdoors, and around tight corners thanks to wider wheels, ultra-quiet dual brushless motors, and an updated responsive joystick system. The AEROLUX 2C remains ultra-travel-friendly with an airline-compliant battery and a 33-pound carbon fibre frame that folds to just 12 inches wide. Despite its lightweight build, it supports up to 300 pounds with confidence. Thoughtfully designed for how you really move, live and travel, the AEROLUX 2C is comfort reimagined. Travel Buggy. See your world again.